Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a drop down column in Google Sheet step by step. First open your document, then add a drop down, select drop down cells, select single cells or multiple cells, added, then go to data tab, data validations, add rows, drop down, option on, type, pending or type approve or rejected, create another item. Okay, then click done, apply, see this, and apply step 2. Again click single cells or multiple cells, select multiple cells, again go to data tab, data validations, add rule, criteria, drop down from a range, click the drop down from a range, type range name or direct select, click OK, done. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.